Hey everybody, welcome back to Spare Time. Real quick before the video starts, I wanted to announce that the pattern for this suit will be up for sale. I have a few more tweaks to it before I can actually put it up for sale, most likely by this weekend. Just have to make sure I can print it out myself first, make sure everything fits. Other than that, let's get into the video. Nice. Now I just have to add this to the rest of the suit. Alright, starting off, what I did was I put the two blue parts of the chest piece together and cut them out like that, just to save on time and extra cutting. It's not really necessary, kind of messed it up a little bit, so I don't suggest it, but I did that, so whatever. And then I just lined it up with the red parts, sewed the blue onto the red. Alright, real quick, I'm trying to explain to you how I'm sewing together the back of the shirt and the front of the shirt. Basically, I'm taking the shoulder area, and I'm connecting it to the shoulder area of the front part of the shirt, and I'm sewing them together at where the shoulders would meet, like so. Moving right along to the sleeve, I took several pictures of the sleeve and noted all the separation between the blue and the red parts of the fabric, and then drew it onto a normal sleeve pattern I've made before, added the separated lines and the new details, and cut all the pieces away, and that's how I've got this pattern right here. I then cut out the blue and the red parts, and these are the sleeves right here. The shoulder part on this one was a little bit big. I think I fixed it a little bit, but that's fine. Next, I sewed them all back up together, and I attached the sleeve to both shirt pieces, the front and the back, while they're both flat. This is actually a way easier way to attach the sleeve. No need to horse around with it. And then I attached the belt as well, and the tip needs to be fixed a little bit, but it's good for now. Next, move on to the pants. I had to fix it a little bit for a fit. Then I added this little curve right here, which is for the red part of the pants. This one is kind of inaccurate. The pattern has a better version of it, but this is just one I made for the moment. As you can see, it's the little red stripe that goes down the pant leg, and this is how the pants go together. It's kind of in a weird shape because I had to modify it a little bit to fit better. But yeah, you sew it on kind of like that. Here we go. So these are the finished pants. I still have to machine sew them, but they're together for now so I can show you what they look like. They got the red stripe on it like so, and it's the front of them. Again, I had to add an extra piece of cloth to make it fit better because I cut it too small. This is the shirt, not fully done yet, but enough to give you guys an idea of what it's going to look like. Sleeves are still not finished, but yeah, this is pretty good. Future updates will feature more details. Stay tuned.